On this episode of Mostly Running Garage, we tackle the dreaded shop maintenance. We got everything measured out. We got our supplies that we need for this shop maintenance. We got some PVC pipe, some chain, and we got our new lights that we're gonna be putting up. We went with the Barina T5s, I believe they were, from Amazon. I've had them before in my garage. They've got them in a couple sheds down here. We really like these. These have lasted me a couple years up at my old house. I've been in a shed for a bit, and they just connect together. Plug it into an outlet, you're good to go. We're gonna attach these to the PVC pipe, and then we'll hang the PVC pipe with chain from the ceiling, and we're gonna see a massive transformation with our lighting in here, because it was pretty dark before. I mean, they didn't really realize it, but we got the back half of the shop put up and working, and you can already see a world of difference. So we're gonna go ahead and get to work on that. We're gonna bring you along for the ride, so let's get to work. A lot brighter in here than it was before. I like how the PVC worked really well for this. But that's going to do it for this episode of Mostly Running Garage.
One light shy too, because we ran out of connectors.
We are one light shy. We got to do a little finagling over there with that. But overall, I'm happy with it. The PVC worked really well. Hey, when you're working on your car, you want to be able to see what you're doing. So that's going to do it for Mostly Running Garage. We'll see you next time.